Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I said in previous videos that I wouldn't do it, that I wasn't going back, that uh, it just didn't work for me. But Happy Planner text messaged me and told me about its wonderful Memorial Day sale. And I'm telling you guys, after I saw this one planner, I was like, you know what? I mean, the cover itself is made for me, and we've seen that I've already converted one of the big Happy Planners into a Hemlock and Oak printable planner, which I'm currently using. So, yeah, once I saw this cover, I was like, you know what, I gotta have it. So, I did pick up a few items for their Memorial Day weekend sale. And so, this video is just gonna be a quick unboxing of some of the goodies that I did receive. And so let's just get to it. If you see any items in this unboxing that you would like a full flip through of, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll try to make that video a priority for uploading it onto my channel. Look at that, I already got a hair. Okay, so this is the planner that I was telling yins about. And I'm also like really cautious whenever I do order from the Happy Planners website, because for some unknown reason, every time I order from their website, it like the product comes damaged, or like the stickers aren't cut right, or it seems to be always something. I'm pretty sure they just do it to me. But this is the what is this? The Celestial Elegance. It is a dashboard layout. So I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Like, once I saw the moons and stuff, I was like, oh my god, that's for me. It's my color palette, and I'm just loving the theme of it because I am getting into manifesting in that. And so, like, once I saw this, I knew I had to get it. And see, I don't know if you can see that. But it does got like a little chip on it, well, several chips on the cover of it. Basically, if I was walking around the store and I saw this one on the shelf versus another, I would have skipped this one. But I mean, I'm not gonna let it, like, bother me that much, because it is super gorgeous. And I could always head over to my local Michael's whenever these things go on super sale, and I could just always purchase it for like 10 bucks and get the cover, which is probably what I'm going to do. But I did really want this planner for my new business planner. I guess I don't really have a new business. It's just I'm starting to realize that I need a planner for my Etsy shop and that, because I really need to figure out what I'm doing with that. So that was the first item, and what really made me want to make this order. So let me set that down to the side. And again, this is just a quick unboxing video. Again, I'm just curious to see which ones you are interested in seeing. So this is it's a Happy Planner Be Happy box, and I believe it was called Find Your Balance. So I am kind of curious to see what's included in this. It looked pretty cool on the website, so can't wait to open that. That might be one of the first ones that I open up. I did pick up the Miss Maker sticker book, just because with the whole new craft room and that, I am going to be making a lot more items. So I got those. I thought those would be fun. I picked up another copy of the Boho big size. I absolutely love these. So here, since I'm not doing a full flip through, I guess what I can do is give you like a quick glimpse of them. So this is the Miss Maker. So it looks like it's bright and colorful and fun. I'm loving that new idea. So I mean, I have the accessory pack. I never actually got the original Mistmaker sticker book, but these look like they're gonna be fun and cute. And I mean, I do sew some projects. Why am I like double saying things? But yeah, no, like I'm into scrapbooking. I do some sewing. I can't say that for some reason. Um, I am into loom knitting. I've been using a hot glue gun a lot lately. So, I mean, I don't know, guys. After looking at it, I was like, you know, the color palette's not that bad, and I am going to be creating a lot. So, that's why I picked that one. This is the second time that I've had this one. So, I mean, I love it. This color palette is just for me. See, it has the little moons and stuff, and it's just, I don't know, it's dreamy. They say it's boho. And I mean, from what I'm seeing, everything looks like it should be cut right. I know I'm gonna find a page here or there. And for any of the projects or products that I am showing, projects, I'm already thinking of what I'm making with the Mistmaker thing. I do have Amazon links, just because the Happy Planner will not accept my application. I've tried several times and they won't. So I provided Amazon links. And I'm going to have to say, like, every time I do get stuff from the Happy Planner's website, again, something comes damaged or, you know, I mean, there's always something. And I've never gotten it from Amazon. I've never gotten it from Michael's or Joann's. So in a weird way, I'm kind of happy that my application was rejected and that I can provide you a Amazon link. So I got a second copy of The Year to Shine. And again, this was another one of those books that it's like it's made for me. I love, love, love the color scheme of this. So much so that I do have my own stickers on my shop that color coordinate with this. And yes, I am checking the cut lines really quickly here, guys, as we're just kind of doing a quick flip through. Just because, like I said, like it happens every time. I mean, if it happens to you too, I mean, let me know down in the comments, because I'm just saying, like, it's happened more than once, like more times than necessary. Okay, so I did pick up the Homebody Seasons. This was a collection that for some reason when it first came out, like, I was just like, oh God, you know, I'll never use that. And I don't know what's happened in the last 2 years, but I'm starting to really dig it. I'm liking the artistic style of it. So I did pick this up, and again, everything was 30% off whenever I bought it. So, I mean, it kind of made it a little bit easier to purchase. I will have to, like, the prices are very comparable on the Amazon, and I do like the fact that, you know, if you are a Prime member, you get the free 2-day shipping. So, I'm just gonna have to say, I think Amazon, you know, is killing it. Okay, so these are the newer ones. So this one is Cosmic Watercolor, and I did notice that they did change the covers of their sticker books. They are the same size, though. It almost looks like they're slimmer. So this is the Cosmic Watercolor. And I love how I'm just like showing you guys in like the cardboard box that it came in. This is not really how I thought this video was gonna go, but ooh, those are cool. And so yeah, I mean, like I said, we're just doing a quick flip through. I'm probably gonna do like a better flip through here later on in the week. I just wanted to get this up and out there for yous, just in case if some of yous have noticed a sale too, and you were curious about some of the products. And I mean, I'm curious about some of the products. I want to see some of them since it just arrived. And this is the Celestial Elegance. It goes with the planner that I pulled out before. So, oh God. Okay, see, this is the one that which I'm gonna try my best here not to get stuck on it, which those are absolutely gorgeous. And oh man, guys, see, I should have got 2 of these. I should have definitely got 2 of these. These are freaking cute. Which it feels so weird looking at new Happy Planner sticker books. I've had mine for years. So this is my first purchase in years, and I'm gonna have to say I'm not seeing any misaligned cuts yet. But these are absolutely gorgeous. So I do highly recommend this book. This is the one where I'm like full on. So I might be getting another one of these. Of course, I'm gonna wait for them to go on sale. But yeah. So there you go, guys. That's the quickest unboxing of this that I can give yous. I do want to open this up, but that is for another video. And with that, I'm just gonna let yous go. Let me know what you think. And again, if there's any of these that you are really interested in seeing like a full flip through, please leave it in the comments down below.